Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel Biki Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made single colored tea coaster. It has 13 petals and we have made 7 rounds. It will be started from the center. Now let's begin. We have taken yarn of 4 ply and crochet 3 mm. First we'll make a slip knot. Then we'll make a small ring. So we'll make 5 chains and attach it with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. And this way we'll have a small ring. Now we are going to make our first round. 3 chains we'll make and we'll make 12 double crochets in the ring. We'll complete our first round by making 12 double crochets in the ring, which we have completed now. Now we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Now we'll make our second round. 3 chains we'll make first. Then we'll make 1 treble crochet from the already double crochet we had made in the first round. After 1 treble crochet, we'll make 1 double crochet in the gap between the 2 double crochets already made. Again 1 treble crochet from the double crochet already made in the first round and 1 double crochet in the gap between the 2 double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our second round. In second round, you will note that we have increased 1 double crochet. Total we'll increase 13 double crochets in second round. In first round we had total made 13 double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our second round. 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet. Now we are going to make our third round. First, let us attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. 3 chains we'll make for the next round. In second round we had made 1 double crochet in the gap. Now in the next round we'll make 1 more double crochet, that means 2 double crochets in the gap between the 2 double crochets. Then we'll make treble crochet from the treble crochet already made in the second round. 2 double crochet we'll make in the immediate gap after the treble crochet. Now 1 treble crochet again. 1 treble crochet we'll knit, taking the already treble crochet made in the second round. Now 2 double crochets in the gap immediate after the treble crochet. Following this pattern, we will complete this round also. We'll complete the whole round. Now our 1 treble crochet remained in this round, so let us complete that 1 treble crochet. And attach with slip stitch. Three chains we'll make for the 4th round, and now we'll make 2 double crochets in the gap. Now 1 treble crochet from the treble crochet already made. Now we'll make 3 double crochets in the gap immediate after the treble crochet. 3 double crochets we'll make. Now again 1 treble crochet as usual we are making. In every round we'll increase 1 double crochet. Now in the pocket we'll make 3 double crochets. One treble crochet. Following this pattern, we'll complete this round also. 1 treble crochet and 3 double crochets. In every round, we'll increase 1 double crochet. Now we have completed our 7 rounds. We'll join this with the help of needle. We'll not make here slip stitch. We'll join with the help of needle. Chain made in this way look very beautiful. We'll attach the extra thread at the back side neatly. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. But please don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.